students, today we are going to start with chapter number 18, Life of Early Human. Today, in this chapter, we are going back in years, thousands years ago, how early men lived. As you all know, they do not have food to eat, no clothing, no shelter. So, in this chapter, we will explore about the early human, how they lived their lives. So, in this chapter, what I will tell you? In this chapter, I will tell you about life of early human, discovery of fire, discovery of farming, how farming discovered, settlement to domestic life, and invention of wheat. These all are the topics that we will cover in this chapter. So, our first topic, we will start with life of early human. In this chapter, we will study about how early men live in that time. Imagine that you have no house, no light, no clothing. So how would you feel? Like where do they live? Early humans, they used to live in caves at that time. And remember that if there is no light, you are sleeping in the night and there is no light, would you feel scared? Yes, we all feel scared. So in this chapter, I will tell you about how early men live such a life. So thousands of years ago, early humans were like animals. They were afraid of animals, right? Like lion, tiger, elephant. These animals were much stronger than them. They lived in dark caves or on troops. So food was the main problem. They did not know how to cultivate crop. If we talk about early men, they did not know how to cultivate food. They moved from one place to another in search of food. And basically what they eat meat, raw meat, fruits, roots of trees and leaves of plants. Early men, first time they use which type of tool? Stone tool. Right? They also learned to make sharp and pointed wooden sticks and use them as a weapon. They kept on improving their tool and what they become? They become hunters. They learned to protect themselves from strong wild animals. Early human had no clothes to wear. And when it was very cold, what they wear? When it was very cold, and we know that at the time it was very cold. So what they used to wear? Skin of animals. So this was all I have told you about the life of early men. Now our next topic is discovery of fire, which was an important discovery. What was happening? One day, early men were sitting and what they did? They rubbed the two stones, right? And a spark of light fell on the ground and the grass started burning. So this is how invention of fire was done. And now fire become an important part of their life. Now with the invention of fire, I will give you some reason which become why the fire become useful to them. Because first is with the help of fire, now with what they can eat cooked food, right? They can keep them warm with the cold, frizzy nights, right? Winter nights. And then they protect themselves from wild animals. As you know that with the fire, what happened? Wild animals, they get afraid and they do not come at that site, right? And the another reason, now they have light, right? In their caves, which was an important discovery. All this thing I have told you are written in this paragraph. I have told you. Now we will move to our next topic is discoveries of farming. How the farming discovered at that time. As you all know, early men, they did not know how to do farming. They eat, I have told you that they had eat raw fruits, vegetables and meat. So, can you tell me, if you would be an early man, what you will do? Will you climb trees for fruits or hunt animal? Give your answer in the chat box. Till then, I am starting with the topic. So, one day, some seeds fell from the ripe fruit of a tree on the ground. What happened? Or from a tall tree, some ripened fruit trees what fall on the ground and they raise later, then the seeds that fell on the ground grew into plants. What happened after some time? These seeds, they grow into the plant. Early human realized that seeds when sown grow into plants and give fruits. Later, they started growing plants near the riverbank. So what happened with the passage of time? Now they started growing plants near the riverbank and they started living together near farms. And what they started building? Mud houses. Now they started building the mud houses. Now, our next topic, that is settlement of domestic life. Now, they also started rearing animals. They also learned to tame animals. Dogs helped in hunting, oxen pulled their plow, and cows gave them milk. So, the first animal that was tamed was dog, and this development brought languages into their life. Now, they settled down to domestic life. Slowly, when humans lived together, small settlements were formed. You may see that small settlements was formed around. These settlements later become villages and towns. Now, the early human begin to think about their future. They meet people living in nearby settlement, traveling on land. When you are traveling on land, to meet them was still very difficult. So they managed to tie few sticks together to make a flat cart. What they made? They made a cart with the help of sledge. So a sledge is a cart without wheels. They used to tame animals to pull the sledge. What they do? They use animals, and then what happens? Animals pull the sledge. Now, our next topic, that is invention of wheel, which was an important discovery. It helps people to move from one place to another easily and fastly. As before the invention of wheel, people used to carry heavy loads on their back and they had to move from one place to another, and it's take a lot of time. So the wheel was one of the invention which changed the life of early human. It is difficult to say how the idea of the wheel originated. One day, what happened? Rolling Stone gave the idea of rounding of the things they wanted to move. So, they again founded that a round piece of wood could be rolled easily on the ground. So, they might have seen a log of wood. They are rolling down the hill at great speed. In this way, they discovered the idea of wheel. Now, they fixed wheel to a sledge. Now, human made a wheel cart and cart made the movement easier. Now, you can go from one place to another easily and carry your goods. This invention, what happened? This invention had done so much to bring comfort to humans. Now the wheel is used in almost all kinds of vehicles. Today also in the modern time, you have seen many vehicles, they all have wheels. Early humans found some stone containing metals which were harder than ordinary stone. Now they started founding metals also. They heated them in fire and got metal out of the stone. Gradually, there was a progress in every field, and the human of today are much wiser, more hardworking, and powerful. They have made life very comfortable for themselves. Right? From caves to villages, as you know, from stone to tools, and from raw food to cooked food, there were number of things that made changes in the life. This is how the civilization began. So you must keep each and everything what we have studied in the past, so that you can remember what we are today because of that only. Right? Now, we will meet in the next class. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Stay healthy. Bye bye.